This is the Proteus design of our project. This is ATmega32. This is L293D, that is the motor driver, and these two are the two motors connected in the car. As there is no built-in devices for the sonar, we used this two square box for the sonars. This is the trigger pin of the sonar that is connected in the ATmega32 as a input pin for the sonar. This is the echo pin of the sonar, which is connected as an output pin of the sonar but as a input pin for the ATmega32. Same accounts for this sonar too. Here the port D of the ATmega32, the lines are connected to the motor driver as output pins, which drives the two motor of the car. This is the micro C code of the project. Here we have used pulse width modulation to control the speed of the motor, and to do this we used in the code timer 0 overflow interrupt. In the variable definition, the variable distance is the actual distance measured from the lower sonar, and distance 1 is the actual distance measured from the upper sonar. In the main function, at first we initialize timer 0 and give it a start with a frequency of 8 MHz, and then the motor is turned forward. In the while loop, at first we have measured any obstacle distance from the lower sonar by giving a short pulse to the sonar trigger pin. Then we waited until the echo pin of the sonar gets high. When the echo pin of the sonar gets high, timer 1 is started. Then we waited until the echo pin gets low, and as soon as the echo pin gets low, we get the time and stop the timer 1. Then the obtained time is divided by 148 to get the distance in inches. The next part of the code is the same as before, where the distance of any object from the upper sonar is measured and is put into the variable distance 1. Then the two distances are compared with the threshold value. The distance from the lower sonar is compared with 15 inches, and the distance from the upper sonar is compared with 3 inches. If the distance from the lower sonar is less than 15 inches, then another variable, level 2, is give a value of 1, otherwise it is given a value of 0. If the distance from the upper sonar is less than 3 inches, then the motor is stopped. Now let's see the function written in the interrupt. Here pin B6 and pin B7 of the port D, which are the enable pin of the motor driver, are given a value of 1 for a duty cycle of 800 divided by 1800 if there is no obstacle within 15 inches. Otherwise, they are enabled for a duty cycle of 800 divided by 3200.